Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at the Remy. This is in Frisco, Texas, and we're gonna go inside their one bedroom. It's kind of a half model. It's gonna have some furniture. It's gonna have just enough to give you a good feel, but it's not fully furnished. But this is what it's gonna look like. By the way, this is what the hallways look like. We're about to do two just super quick videos, and we're gonna split this up right now. By the way, this is keyless entry, and I'm gonna walk in. So, really cool. Wow. Okay. I'm loving this already. It's a pretty big, pretty cool one bedroom. So this is a really nice one bedroom. Look at this. First of all, it's got a lot of kitchen space. It's got really pretty cabinets that are here. Really attractive space. A lot of space you can use for countertops, for just having a table. You could put some chairs under there, just have a table. It's also got this really nice living room area. This is very pretty, super attractive. By the way, look at the floors. It's really light. You're gonna feel really fresh and bright in here. Everything is really well lighted. And by the way, wow, this is first floor. So I don't think every floor is like this, but look at the floor. I mean, the ceilings. The ceilings are, gosh, 12 feet. 13 feet. It's really tall in here, so I love the feel. This is really attractive in here. Now let's go ahead and look at the balcony real quick. You do have a balcony or patio with every apartment here, and it's pretty cool. So the pool is here. We're going to see that in another video, but you've got a really nice patio in this case. It can fit a table and a couple of chairs. It's really long. It's probably about 14 feet is my guess. 12 to 14 feet, probably 14 feet. So anyway, that's my guess on that. And that's what this looks like. So now let's do another quick walkthrough in the bedroom and bath. It'll just be video number 2, probably about a minute. So watch that, and then we'll start on that right next. If you have questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.